Hi, my name is Brian Baker, and I am the CEO and designer and developer of the My Club Lives reservation system. The best fit for My Club Lives is with clubs that have multiple venues, such as tennis, swimming, and fitness, that now, more than previously, have to be planned and reserved to assure that guidelines about social distancing and shared equipment are observed. Well, situations like COVID pandemic can incent a club to adopt expediencies. The lasting value of a change in interface with members is measured by whether it improves the efficiency and effectiveness within the club and can help change bad member experiences into good ones. The two meld together to help grow a feeling of engagement and belonging by club members. It was with these two objectives that My Club Lives reservations and member engagement system was built. Let's take a look at the interfaces that we have with the members, in particular in the form of reservations. There are three kinds of reservations that the system promotes. One are scheduled, instant, and club events. Scheduled reservations are designed to allow all the members to have equal opportunity to get a court. It is the antithesis to first come, first serve, which favors the people who master the current system using the phone or other mechanisms to get first dibs. Instead, the members put in their requests and an algorithm runs weekly that then balances the load and assigns the members. Instant reservations refer to those reservations that are available on a first-come, first-serve. That is, any open court that was not assigned as a result of the scheduled reservation. This is first-come, first-serve, and it's an easy process for a member on the browser just to click on Open, or on the mobile apps to just select the date and time and then pick it. The club events are a little different in that club events tend to be group events. So rather than an individual or two reserving a swim lane or a tennis court, you have a group that are participating in an event, which could be a fitness class, a yoga, any number of different classes where you have members that sign up. This would also include instructions, conceivably. On the app, you can perform three different operations on reservations. When you first click on the reservations, it will show you your current reservations that you have outstanding and the status of them. The second function, when you click the plus sign, is it will show you all open courts or swim lanes for the current day. This is so that in case you decide suddenly that you want to play, but you want to make a quick look to see what's available at the club, you just click on that plus, it'll show you everything that's available, and then if you decide to take it, you just click on the box corresponding to the time slot that you want, and it will make an instant reservation for you. The third function is after you have seen what's available today, the three bars there will allow you then to access and query to see what's available anytime during the cycle. So you can then pick the venue you want. You can pick the date into that cycle, which is usually about a week, and the time that you want. And then what it will do is it will display for you the unreserved courts or swim lanes that are available for that particular time frame. Once you've clicked it, it'll ask you to confirm. You say OK, and you're done. You can also, on the browser, When you're done, you can very quickly just look at any reservations that you've had as well as your history. And if you have a reservation outstanding that needs to be confirmed, you can click on it and have it confirmed instantly. There's also a check-in process that at this point can be optionally contactless for you. A dynamic club will have a lot of events going on, of which many of them are made up of fitness classes with instructors. However, that's not the only kind of events. You can also have get-togethers, although those are fewer these days, but hopefully they'll come back. So the club calendar is put together by the administrator, and then it is published and available for users to see in different formats. In terms of the app itself, the club event is available. They've set up a date range that they're interested in, and then they can actually do a filter to pick what kind of event am I looking for. So if I want to see when it is that there are yoga classes, I can just click on yoga as a type. And if I want to do a Zoom class, you'll see where it will say it's virtual, along with an asterisk, which means that the class is online with a Zoom link associated with it when I click on it. I can then register for those classes by just clicking register. You can do the same thing with the browser. You just see it a little bit differently in more of a grid. And one thing you can do also when you've registered for an event, you can then opt to go back and forth between show me just events that I've signed up for or show me all events. And finally, there's a feature that helps club members find each other to play. One of the ongoing issues is new members oftentimes struggle breaking into the club cliques. In this case, a player can be rated by either the club or self-rated, register themselves, indicate what days it is that they would like to play. The bottom line is that the reservations are simple and easy to use. They're either web-based or mobile device-based, depending on the particular member and their comfort zone. And they all lead to an efficient process and a good experience for the members.